Welcome everyone, I'm Russell Alexander. I've been a lawyer practicing with the team here at Russell Alexander Collaborative Family Lawyers for over 20 years. We help families going through separation and divorce. Without further ado, let's get into today's topic. Zoom divorce and the modern lawyer in 2021. Part 3, tips and tricks. In parts 1 and 2, we explain the importance of optics and also the nuts and bolts of the Zoom divorce. Now for some fun stuff. Zoom divorce tips and tricks. Lights. Lighting can go a long way to looking successful. If you're in a room with natural light, door or window, try to face the light. Always avoid having the natural light directly behind you. Consider purchasing lighting for your Zoom hearings. Ring lights are very popular. I use 2 LED lights on tripods positioned at 10 to 12, about 30 centimeters above my head. They're relatively inexpensive and can be delivered from Amazon or other online retailers, usually within a few days. Consider using parchment paper over each light to provide for softer color and help reduce squinting and possible RBF face. See part 1. Desktop computers are not always equipped with speakers or microphones. Zoom divorces are the new normal. We're not likely going to see any change back to in-person hearings anytime soon. It is worthwhile, therefore, to invest in some quality equipment. For a microphone, I use the Blue Yeti, also easily available online, and we recommend pairing it with a pop filter. Keep the Yeti vertical, do not tilt it towards you, as this will diminish the audio quality. Camera. If you're using a desktop, you'll likely need to get a webcam. For the reasons already mentioned, it would be worthwhile investing in a quality HD video camera. Depending on your setting, you can also get remote control cameras and webcams with wide-angle lenses. I use a MacBook Pro laptop with a decent quality video camera built in. Consider a laptop stand to raise your computer to eye level, or some books will also do. I have a small sticky with a smiley face and an arrow pointing to the camera that I put on my laptop to remind me to look into the camera. It can be very distracting when justice participants use multiple screens and spend the conference looking away from the camera. Action. Aim for a quiet workspace when conducting your Zoom divorce. Zoom offers a feature that enables muting various types of background noise. Work at a stable workstation. Driving or walking around can be very distracting. Consider whether your desk or table shakes when you lean on it or write on it. This can also pose a distraction. I'm not a fan of fake backgrounds, but appreciate we do not always have a perfect workspace to conduct a Zoom divorce hearing. Here are a few resources for backgrounds. Pixels.com offers a vast collection of high-definition desktop wallpaper and backgrounds. They're lush and enormous and can't take your eyes off them when you see them. Studio Gabby provides a collection of stills from their movies to use for free as Zoom backgrounds. Unsplash provides high-resolution free photographs, including office-like modern, like this one, which we're going to attach. The clock can get distracting if it doesn't move. Flickr and the House of Commons library collection. Zoom backgrounds of famous TV shows from Moxie are available. You can look like you're working from Seinfeld's apartment or Monica's place in Friends. If you're enjoying this video and find it helpful, give it a thumbs up or please leave your comment below. Zoom tips and tricks. Be early. Dress professionally. Prepare for bumps in the road and plan for tech failures and have redundant systems. Sit up in your chair to avoid slouching or leaning on the front of the table in front of you. Remember to breathe regularly. Proper breathing calms your nerves and helps you think better. You look and feel more alert. Always make eye contact. Look into your camera. Speak loud and confidently. Be mindful if other participants can hear you. It's okay to pause and confirm if everyone can hear you clearly. Address the court when you arrive for your Zoom hearing with a good morning or a good afternoon. This will confirm whether the device is functioning and has finished connecting. Then mute your speaker until it's your turn to address the court. Tell your client to keep their device muted at all times, unless specifically requested to address an issue by counsel, the court register, or the presiding justice. Have your client practice muting and unmuting the devices they plan to use. The computer buttons may be quite different than the smartphone setup. In advance, so there's no different, so they get used to the different screens if they have to use a backup system. Do not update your Zoom software shortly prior to the hearing. This update may take several minutes and cause you to be late. So that's a wrap. Zoom divorce will be the new normal until at least 2022 or perhaps 2023. The pandemic has forced the justice system to pivot to digital with online Zoom hearings and digital filing of court forms. The silver lining in all this move to digital is that the practice of family law for many lawyers and the administration of justice are becoming much more efficient. Lawyers can conduct new client meetings the same day via Zoom. Court conferences that would often take several hours, commuting, parking, court security, waiting for your turn on a busy court docket, negotiating, debriefing clients, and a commute back to the office or home, have now been reduced to cases to under an hour in most instances. Public complaints about the delay and expense of the family justice system were commonplace prior to the pandemic. We now have an opportunity to expand on these new efficiencies and improve access to justice. To learn more about this three-part series, click our link below. Please give us your thoughts and comments in the comment box below. If you have any questions, let us know. If you've liked this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up to let us know. You can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.